it! Let's learn! Hello, everyone! Look, who is this? Let's ask her some questions. Let's begin. What's your name? My name is Lily. Nice to meet you, Lily. Nice to meet you too. How old are you? I'm 6 years old. When is your birthday? My birthday is in May. What color are your eyes? My eyes are brown. Do you have a brother or a sister? Yes, I do. I have a brother and a sister. When do you wake up? I wake up at 7 o'clock. Do you go to school? Yes, I do. What grade are you in? I'm in grade 1. How do you go to school? I go to school by bus. Where do you go on weekends? I go to the park. Which balloon do you want? I want the yellow balloon. Why do you need an umbrella? Because it's raining. Can you ride a bike? Yes, I can. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is pink. What's your favorite animal? My favorite animal is a rabbit. What's your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. What's your favorite toy? My favorite toy is a teddy bear. What's your favorite fruit? My favorite fruit is strawberries. What's your favorite drink? My favorite drink is orange juice. What's your favorite hobby? My favorite hobby is drawing. Who is your best friend?
Ema is my best friend.
See you in another fun learning lesson with the bright wand. Bye-bye!